Yeah, I mean, you have an issue with the scanning machine?
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register.
Okay.
I didn't have an issue. She fixed it for me.
Who'd you come with?
Why does that matter?
Because there's two of you guys. That's
yeah,
why
because she came and brought me the rest of the money.
Yeah, so who'd you come with? That way we
She
can
brought me the
there.
rest of the money. Do you want to come talk to the lady that checked me out?
No, I want you to answer my question.
Let's go talk to the lady that checked me out, please, because I didn't
We'll get there.
take anything.
We'll get
I
there.
just literally had to go to the second
with?
register and she helped me with the second register.
Who'd you come with?
Like, the person helped me at the regular register.
We'll get there.
Why does that matter?
Because you need to answer my question. So
like, she has, it's my friend. She has to go to her kids today. It's her kid's birthday today. That's the reason why I came here. Can we come talk to the register? Because she's literally just helped me through the register. I don't see what the problem is.
Alright, so you can walk with this officer. We're going to go back in the store. I'm going to grab your shopping cart. Cool?
What?
We're going to go that way. We're going to go talk and figure it out if you scanned everything and paid for everything.
And then, hold on, slow down.
I'm going to find the lady.
No, we're going to go right here. No, you're going to come over here. Come over here now.
I can't ask the lady that just helped me at the register.
We're going to go right here and talk to them.
We're going to be tracing her.
Let's go. We're trying to be cool with you. Come on.
Look, here she is right there.
No.
Excuse me. Can you please tell the officer that you helped me for this device? Yeah. Everything was fine, right? Yeah, she paid.
Yeah.
She paid for everything.
Okay, we got to talk to somebody over here, and then we'll get things sorted out.
I had to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem?
You didn't pay.
What do you mean I didn't pay?
Yeah. So gift pack is probably going to be these. The water at the bottom, and then Wonder Shop is going to be this bag. Yep.
And the one she didn't pay for is
All these. This bath mat.
Dude, I got the Legos at the first one. I got the Legos at the first register.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. And she finished helping me scan me out.
Where's the receipt for that?
I don't know, it's probably there still. If you go look.
Why do you have a receipt for this and not have the receipt for the next?
Because I had to go to 2 different registers.
What else? We're gonna go in here, alright?
I'm not going in there, yo. Can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the f***, dude? I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing? Get your hands off of me. I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get them off of me. I didn't do anything. I paid for this stuff. Get them off of me. Get off of me. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old! You can't do this without my parents' permission! I'm only 13 years old! I'm only a 13-year-old! Dude! I'm literally only 13 years old, bro! You can't do this! Can I call my parents?
You can in a second. Sit down.
Because my parents won't let me. They're not here and you can't do this to me.
You can. Because you committed a crime. So, knock it off.
Not if I'm only 13 years old. I'm underage.
You don't look 13.
I'm underage.
Okay. Is your ID in your purse?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
So you're not underage then?
Can I just take the stuff I paid for and leave? No.
No, we're beyond that.
You trying to be cool with you.
We would have been doing that if you were cool. And
How did I be cool, yo? Like, what the?
I mean,
Like the lady that just told you that she helped me scan everything out. She just told you that.
She helped you scan for the things that you paid for, yeah.
What's the car shows up with?
It's going to be this purple Scion that's sitting right out here. So if you go
Dude,
out
she
our
literally has to go
stores,
pick up her kids, bro. She
our
literally
drive-up
took
section
his
is
birthday
right
today.
here, and it's just right
And
across.
she has to go pick them up.
So she's behind a silver Tacoma.
And she literally has to go pick up her kids that are like little kids.
can we get an estimate on the thing
Yeah.
she paid for? Where's that sign out?
It's
Closer to all
the 28 matches.
Hello, did you come with a
My friend?
friend?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You're not in trouble, but obviously she's in trouble. I mean, I guess she shoplifted. But what is her name?
I don't answer questions.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we need your identification because you actually went in there.
Yes, do that. You're fine.
Hey, and you guys both came together?
Store, I think you give money.
Huh?
I went to the store to pick up her money.
I'm not asking if you went in the store. I'm asking if you guys both came together.
So there's my driver's license.
It's a yes or a no.
I don't
There's
answer
cameras.
questions, sir. There's fine, and that's fine. You can see on camera then that I
You
came
are
into
so
the
being
store.
uncooperative right now. Why is that?
I just
I'm
didn't
trying to be
hear
cool
you.
with you, but you give me a hard time.
But sir, I don't answer questions. Okay, then I'll just be stopped. I gave you my ID. Is there anything else I can provide you with? You want my insurance and registration? I do have that.
No, this is not a traffic stop. This is a criminal offense investigation, okay?
Okay.
So you can sit there. If you're not going to answer the question, then shush.
I will, and I will.
2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
Dude, I want to go. I'm sorry.
On top of that, don't stop! 501. Stop. Stop.
Grab it. Hey, unless you want to be involved, go to your vehicle.
It's like not going
Just leave on it.
I'm not going anywhere, I promise you. If you need to.
So the only reason I asked is because we need to know who she is because we don't want to burg her and charge her for concealing identity. So I just need to find out who she is because she's going to go to jail for concealing identity and we don't need to go that route.
I think that's her though, right? Not technically, like, you know what I mean? That would be up to her, if anything, right? Not me.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a friend,
If
I
she
mean,
feels
obviously
like-
a friend was going to help her out
if
to
she
not
feels
go
like
that route.
she feels like that's what, that's up to her, like,
That's crazy. That's my girlfriend, dude. Like, they tackled her.
that was Smoker they tackled?
Yeah, dude. Well, I don't know what she was trying to do, dude.
Cool.
Well, she
My
got,
girlfriend.
they're saying that she got lost, they're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me, dude?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plate?
Yeah, the girl they just had outside. I was like walking up, like, whoa, what the f?
Okay, so you guys all came together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stand up. Act like an adult. Stand up. Go to this car right here. Go. Nobody even said you're going to jail. Cut the shit off. Stand right there and spread your feet. Spread your feet.
You said I could pay for it. I'll pay for all this stuff. Can I please pay for it?
Do you have anything hidden on you?
Can I please pay for it?
Huh?
No.
Okay.
Can I please pay for this stuff?
Quit moving your hands.
I'll pay for it, please. Round it out. I'll pay for it, please. Can I pay for the stuff, please?
We'll get there. Get in the car.
Please, can I buy it, please?
Sit down. Put your feet in now.
They'll buy it for me. They'll pay for it,
Go.
please. I
Watch
have
your
the
feet.
money to pay for it.
Watch your feet.
Please, can I please?
Good job.
I've never tackled anyone. That was cool.
I was laughing because I'm like, she's really 13? Damn.
I know what kind of skincare, right?
That girl was laughing. I was like, did you see her? She got her. And I was like, I was watching her.
You have her ID? Is there two people in this car?
Yeah.
Who's the other one?
Boyfriend. That's how I got
Is that the one that was running up there? Okay.
Say up to 27. Are you good? You okay?
Yeah.
She's gonna have 55 and she hasn't even compared injury.
Do you hurt at all? What's hurting? Her face and her. I'll start it.
Must
Is it a use of force?
55 is on the way. Because she had something. You okay though? I'll have email check you out and go to Huh?
You didn't use force?
Sorry, what? Car.
Oh, you didn't use force?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. I just, because when you called out, I was like, I didn't know who you were with, and I was like, oh, shoot. I didn't know who you were with.
The stuff she paid for, do you want me to just return it and get the cash back?
Did she pay with cash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then her bag's still in there with you?
Yeah, I'll bring it out.
I'll go get it.
Oh,
We're gonna need the video
yeah,
of the
no problem.
of the incident. Just sit on her. Oh, I didn't even know. Did I know you were there?
I don't think so. You were trying to get her. Yeah, because this lady, she was like, I don't think she's 13. And I was like, no. And then her boyfriend, I was like, oh my gosh.
She was like, I'm underage. I was born in 2002. I'm like, it's 2023.
Oh my gosh.
Do you have a bag? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, no worries. That hasn't been a month. She just had a felony warrant for possession too.
Yeah, okay.
9-5.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Munoz. We're gonna get you out and we're gonna take you pictures real quick, okay? So, we've already had one incident, we don't want another, okay? Okay, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
I appreciate you.
I'm so sorry.
Let's keep it. Where do you want?
Let's go ahead and use the wall as
I'm so sorry.
a backdrop.
Stand here. Okay, what injuries do you have?
My rib hurts.
Your rib?
My rib.
Okay, do you have
Which side?
My right side.
This one?
Right. Okay. Any other injuries?
My head.
Okay, where at on your head? Is it
My
up here?
top of my head.
Directly on top of your head?
No, my forehead.
Your forehead? What's your name?
Danielle.
Danielle? I'm Sergeant Munoz with the Ranch Police Department, okay? So what I'm doing here right now is I am looking into the force that was used. Can you tell me what happened?
I didn't use any force.
No, not you. Just what happened as far as like the in sense. It's not. I'm only looking as far as how you came to your injuries essentially.
I did it to myself. I did it to myself because I didn't listen to what they were saying. I ran. And I was being so dumb, and I'm so sorry for not doing what they asked me to do. Because I wasn't complying with them, and I'm so sorry.
So
I just don't want to go to jail. I'm so sorry. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
so
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
okay. So can you tell me how officers came in contact with you?
They came in kind of like, what do you mean?
How did you meet officers, and how did officers come and talk to you?
They tried taking me into the room in the store. When somebody came in, one of the employees came into the door, I ran out.
Okay, and then what happened
Then
after
she
you?
tackled me.
Okay.
She tackled me.
Okay, from behind, the
Yeah,
side,
from
the front.
behind.
Okay.
But I ran into both the doors like head on first.
Was that before or after?
That was before she tackled me.
before she tackled you, you ran into the doors?
Like this, yeah.
Okay. So you ran into the doors first, and then she tackled you, and then what happened from there?
She put the handcuffs on me tighter.
Okay. Oh, so you were already in handcuffs?
Yes.
Okay, and then were you still in handcuffs, or did you take them off?
No, she tackled me and just put them on tighter.
Okay, so you were in handcuffs the whole time?
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna go take you to the hospital, go get checked out, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, just go ahead and have a seat, we're gonna buckle you up. You don't have any knives, needles, or guns on you that we need to be aware of, do we? You don't have anything in your pockets that we need to be aware of?
I'm so sorry. Please, I don't
Lean
wanna-
forward just a little so I can buckle.
Lean forward, ma'am.
Lean forward. We gotta buckle you up so you don't fall all over the place. Are you going?
Am I gonna go to jail?
Well, right now you're going to the hospital.
I don't wanna go to jail, please. I've never gone to jail, please.
She was ultimately charged with shoplifting, escaping police custody, resisting arrest, and possession of a controlled substance. What began as a routine loss prevention stop escalated quickly once she refused to cooperate and attempted to flee, leading to a physical takedown, handcuffing, and a secondary confrontation involving her boyfriend and another woman who had accompanied her into the store. Officers later confirmed she was also wanted on an outstanding felony warrant for possession. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.